What is going on, people? This is Jahbari, your investor friendly, and here again in College Station. And today we are in Greens Prairie Reserve. Now, today I will be viewing this Murphy Signature Home custom home. But let's talk a little bit about Greens Prairie Reserve. So, kind of as I spin around, you see lots that's available, but you still see a lot of construction that's being built. So, Greens Prairie Reserve is a custom build neighborhood specifically for all the builders in the Bryan-College Station area. Now, if you don't know about Bryan, you'll know more about that later. So continue to follow my page so that you can just learn more about the Bryan-College Station area. But so every single home is a custom builder out of this area locally that is building homes on this lot. So you'll see a lot of the different homes that's been built by builders as I take tours. And if you have questions, I always say text, email, or schedule a time so I can make sure I find specific houses for you to be able to view. But Greens Prairie Reserve is located just right up the street from HEB. From those who are new to this area or coming to Texas and you want to know, well, what's HEB? It's literally like your Publix or your Walmart. It's just your big grocery store that you want to go to. They have a great selection of food, but also Starbucks and a lot of other shopping areas for you. And it has a quick access to Texas 6, which is the highway that gets you to Houston. Now, over time, you'll see a lot of talk around the Brazos Valley because they're doing a speed train that's going to come from Dallas to Houston, and Brazos Valley will be in the area that they'll stop in. But all that to say is if you wanted to do some commuting and you want to stay in a small town away from a big city, College Station and where this is at, which is South College Station, is a great area. So we're going to take a look at this junior plan for the Murphy Signature Home. Let's take a look at it. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath. Let me know what you think. All right, so this is the Murphy Signature Home in Greens Prairie Reserve. I love this house. And Greens Prairie Reserve is a custom built neighborhood. So this Murphy Signature Home is a 1-story open concept home. And so as you walk in, you have the high 18 plus ceiling. So that's beautiful. And right there to the right, when you walk in, you have like a flex space room. You can be able to use this for office or actual bedroom as well, kind of your choosing. Have the glass stand-up showers, and it's a plug-in right in the floor, and that is good for if you have an office and you want to be able to put your desk straight in the middle. So we've designed it that way, and it's a good layout. So when you kind of go back to the foyer, and we'll take a right, and this will get you to the laundry room. So this laundry room, you have your washer and dryer will have to be front facing. Have your sink, very good size. Then you have your folding tables over there. And then you'll lead you into the second room. Still facing the front, but the great thing about this is not only the custom and the natural lights, and then they have the built-in cabinets inside of the closet. I love that because you can help organize a lot of your clothes, your shoes, and anything else that you need to put in your closet. And it still has a full bathroom that's attached. And this will be a stand-up glass shower just as well. And as you go back out, leaving the laundry room, go back to the foyer, we'll go straight across. And this is the garage area. So when you're coming from the garage, you'll have your mud room so you can be able to hang your jackets. You have your shoes very at the bottom. And then right behind you, you do have another full bathroom that you can access. Now, that one is not attached to the room. So this room also can be used for office space because this is one of the only rooms that the bathroom is not attached. As you can tell, some of those other bathrooms are attached to the actual room. So this can be a good space. I love the custom windows. Lone pane is real good for natural lights. Still, again, you have your built-in shelves inside the closet. And one thing you will always notice about all the Murphy Signature homes, they have 8-foot doors. So if you have a tall family member that worried about having a house where they can't be able to get inside, or you know, or have to duck their head. I think we're pretty safe to say. I love the garage because the owner has a diesel dually that parks on the far left side, so that's a longer garage size on the far left. So if you have a big diesel truck, or any type of truck that has some length, that can be able to fit on that one side. Then when we go back into the foyer to get us to the open concept living room, you have just shelving space right next to the gas fire pit. uh, Love how they designed this. And then you have your sliding glass door that brings in great natural light. And over here you have your pantry, and it's also a built-in study. I always tell people, be careful, because if you want to study or do some little work and you have your pantry right there, be careful now. You may need have a high grocery bills as you study, depending on what you study, right? But so that's what that area for. And then you'll go into the kitchen. Now all these do have custom kitchening, excuse me, custom cabinets. And so this island is very, very good size. If you're someone who likes to be able to host and have family members over, or you like to host holidays, this is perfect. And right underneath part of the custom cabinets, you have some hidden cabinet space where you can put some of those seasonal dishes that you won't use as much. And then as we go outside, you have your recessed lighting, and also this is already wired for kitchen. And you have your tongue and groove stained wood at the very top, and then it's already hardwired for outside entertainment. So, and as we walk back in, we'll get to go into the master bedroom. Now, one of the things about the master bedroom, they always have, of course, your high ceilings as well, but your sliding bathroom door, barn yard door, that's very popular on the Murphy Signature home. And then you have your glass showers that um, is just a custom look for all Murphy Signature home. You can upgrade some of this if you build from the beginning. And then you have your tub, and then you have your private stall with the built-in shelving. And you have your his and her sink there, separated in between the actual private stall. So enough spacing there for each other. And then I love the walk-in closet where you have your built-in shelving on both sides. You can see how just being able to walk from both sides have a great depth. So depending on his or her who's going to be sharing, or who's going to have the most of the closet. Most time is a wife, but hey, don't assume. So um, this Murphy Signature home, I love it. So if you have any questions, you want to see more, please text, email, call.